This is about protecting women from dangerous and even life-threatening drugs.
What we're really talking about here is a Republican effort for a national abortion ban by any means necessary.
The Senate Committee on Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions met Wednesday in Washington, D.C., led by Louisiana Senator Bill Cassidy. He wants the president to reinstate the requirement to see a doctor in person to receive mifepristone.
When someone is pregnant, there are two patients. Both must be considered with absolute care and concern.
Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrill was one of 3 witnesses to testify on mail-order abortion medication. Murrill claims the practice of patients receiving mifepristone from a doctor out of state, which is illegal in Louisiana, is dangerous. But another witness, Dr. Nisha Verma, who works with Physicians for Reproductive Health, says telehealth is safe, effective, and provides critical care for people in maternity care deserts.
These are not medical standards. There are no medical standards in any state that sanctions such irresponsible actions by a medical professional.
There is a process for telehealth. There are regulations. There are strict screenings that happen. And what is really the issue here is when people need additional care, they can't get it in their communities without fear of being criminalized.
When asked if an abortion should be the choice of a woman and her doctor, Murrill said,
"We live in a land of the rule of law, and that is the law of Louisiana, and so they can seek that care in another state."
Dr. Verma says mifepristone and misoprostol are used for more than just abortion. Under Louisiana law, though, they're considered controlled substances and must be locked in a cabinet.
So, for example, when you have a patient that's having a postpartum hemorrhage, that is a life-threatening emergency. It's one of the leading causes of maternal mortality. I need to be able to access safe medications right away to save that patient's life.
Cassidy is calling for a safety review of the medications. Alyssa Curtis, WWL, Louisiana.
Today's hearing comes a day after a California doctor was indicted after he allegedly sent abortion drugs to a patient in St. Tammany Parish. Attorney General Murrill requested to extradite him to Louisiana. Now, within the last hour, California Governor Gavin Newsom posted on X, quote, "Louisiana's request is denied."